Okay, hi guys, so that's my Volvo 940 and recently I buy child seat. First time I'm gonna have child, and the child seat, it's with this Isofix system. So as you know, there is no mountings like that in Volvo. So I'm looking for a place where to make it, and for now I just make it in the middle, so I'm gonna show you how I done it. So that's this armrest that you can put this way. So I unscrew it. It was actually 2 screws each side. So I take it off, and then inside here you have something like this. There was the one place that the seat was mounted, and there was actually no, this was mounted here, yeah. So this was here, this was down in this place, and there was like a bolt, and then the armrest was connected in those 2 places here. So I take all of those out. So I make something like this. As you see, there is like a piece of, I think it's 2 millimeter sheet of metal, and something like this, some metal pipe, let's say. So I weld it together, make a hole here, make a hole here, and I screw in the same places, and that's how it looks like. It's very solid. So I'm gonna show you in a second how I mount the Isofix car seat here. So that's a moment before I mount it. Just want to show you how it looks like. Need some more space. So this is going perfectly inside here. It's perfect measurement. It's not so easy to make one hand, but I can try. So it's going perfectly here. It's easier when it's other way. So you can see this one, yeah, and this. It's on now. Nice. Both are flashing green. That means it's okay. This and this. Fix the leg here. So now it's all green. Very steady. It's not moving. So I think it's okay, right?